Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2013 Ford F250. I'm going to be doing a rear window switch. It can be a fairly easy job. I want to be the guy that shows you how to do it. If you need any parts, you can always click on 1aauto.com. Thanks. Now I'm just going to come right here. This piece right here should just pop right up. So I'm just going to try to use my trim tool, see if I can get it to pop up. You don't want to use something like a screwdriver in this instance, obviously. I mean, it's your truck, you can do what you want, but I would go with something that isn't going to break anything. Here we are. So we'll just take this, check our wiring harness. I always check them, make sure there's no funny colors. Rainbow colors in this instance aren't always the best. Here's the little clips, make sure they're both on there. Those just press into these little slots. We'll set this aside. Okay, so now it's time to remove our switch from our switch housing assembly. I'm just going to use a couple pocket screwdrivers, something very simple. All I'm going to do, there's a little prong here, here, there, and there, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get in between the switch itself and the housing, and then the same thing on the other side. Go there. I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm just going to try to lift up on the switch. Oops, clip back in, that's okay. Let's try it again. Just going to see if I can lift it. There we are. While I'm holding it, lift it. Lift it. There we are. There's our switch assembly. We should be clear to replace this. So now it's time to reinstall this switch, right? As you can tell, it's got a little beveled edge here. It's got a little fingery hole beveled edge there. So it's just gonna kind of slide up and in like that. Okay? And this is gonna click in. Booyah. Let's go install this on the door panel. We've got our window switch assembly. Just gonna go ahead and take that. I'm gonna listen for a click noise. Sounds great. We still got our little mounting hardware here. Get it lined up. Bonk, 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 bonk. There we go. Okay, we've got a hole here and two holes there. Got our 3 screws. We'll get them in. Just gonna crank this puppy up a little bit. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.